So I'm sorry I haven't made any videos for a while. I've been busy with some other writing projects, but I'm hoping to get back to creating some more part 1, part 2 and part 3 sample answers for the IELTS speaking test very soon. But today I'm going to do an example answer for part 2 by special request, and the topic is a beautiful place you have visited. Now, I'm lucky enough to have been to a number of magnificent locations over the years, but the one I'm going to talk about is actually fairly close to my hometown of Manchester in the northwest of England. It's called the Lake District, and as its name suggests, it has a lot of lakes as well as mountains and hills. It's a very beautiful area of outstanding natural beauty. The terrain is quite rugged, quite dramatic, and also the weather can be quite unpredictable. Some people say it has its own microclimate, because of the landscape. It's kind of enclosed by mountains, and it's also fairly close to the coast, to the sea, so this can create some quite extreme weather conditions. It can go from sunny one moment to pouring with rain the next. But it's a really gorgeous destination that I heartily recommend anyone to visit. It's, as I said, very stunning. There's a lot of nature. There are some huge lakes that you can sail across or go wild swimming in, or you can catch a ferry from one side of the lake to the other. There are also some really cute villages nestled around the shoreline, and these have lots of boutique shops, so if you want to spend an afternoon looking through some kind of arts and crafts and bric-a-brac, it's perfect for that, for window shopping or just rummaging through some little boutiques with lots of unusual things that you can buy. And also there are a number of Michelin starred restaurants and some gastro pubs, so it's a great place for foodies as well. I think for me, the fact that it's so close to the city, but it's also so removed from it, it's just a great place to go if you want to get some fresh air, escape from the hectic pace of life. It's always my first port of call on a weekend when I just want a bit of a break from the hustle and bustle of Manchester.